Hello, and welcome to installing and setting up Xcode. In this particular video, we are going to cover installing Xcode from the Mac App Store, opening up Xcode and installing the developer tools, creating a new project, and installing the documentation so that we can look at the frameworks that Apple provides for us. In order to install Xcode, we have to go to the Mac App Store. To do that, we can open up Spotlight Search by hitting Command Space and typing in App Store. Next, we go up to the search box and search for Xcode. So in the top right hand corner of the search box, type in Xcode, and it will bring up some results. Xcode should be the first one. Notice that mine says open. That's because I already have Xcode installed. You should have something that says get, and if you tap on that, it will start downloading Xcode and installing it. It will take a while because it is a large file. You can also tap on the icon to get a larger screen, little introduction of what Xcode is, and some screenshots. Once it is done installing, tap on the Open. This will bring up a screen that welcomes you to Xcode and allows you to create a Swift Playground, a new Xcode project, or to clone an existing project from a repository such as GitHub. But that's beyond the scope of this course. For now, we will just create a new Xcode project. And it gives you many different templates to choose from, and that's not really relevant right now. You may have gotten a pop-up when you first open Xcode asking you to install the developer tools. If you did get that pop-up, make sure you hit install. And then you should get the screens that we just went through. One last thing we want to check is to make sure that we have access to the documentation. Up in Window, there's a line item called Developer Documentation, where you can hit Shift-Command-0. That documentation gives you access to the different Apple frameworks that we have access to be able to build applications. That includes all of our different views and interface elements that an application will have, along with more advanced features such as the accelerometer, core graphics, core text, CloudKit, which allows us to save data into iCloud, along with core data for persistent storage locally on the device, and many other different frameworks that could be useful. In the next video, we will cover the differences between Xcode and Swift Playgrounds. See you then!